Welcome to the Sneaker Teacher channel. Today we're going to be going over an example using change in tandem. So remember, change in tandem describes how two different variables change together. We're going to be looking at an equation or an example with a table that's describing a function. So our function f is to be either increasing or decreasing, but not both, and we're going to look over that interval that's given. So one thing I'm going to look at is how are the x's changing. So those are changing by +1 each time. And then I also want to look at how is the output, the f of x, changing. So I'm writing -5, down 15, down 25, and then on our next interval, down 40. So as we look as x increases, f of x is decreasing. So that means our function is decreasing on that interval from 1 to 5. And this is because as our x values increase, the y values are decreasing. And I'm your sneaker teacher. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you've got questions or want another problem. Don't forget to subscribe, keep your kicks fresh, and stay irrational.